Hello everyone, thank you for watching this replay of my live video that I did on Sunday. I think it's January 12th. And I'm going to announce the winners from last week's live video. It looks like Lauren's already joined us. I am trying to, once again, pull up the video on my laptop so I can see comments. Anyway, so last week I did a live video and I had an incentive if you like or comment or share my video that would get you entries into a drawing where I would give away some of the cards that I had made. And so I ended up pulling two names for that because I had two of them that I could do. So I've got the little kits here, and I gotta show you, I found these cute little Hello Kitty bags at Daiso, and I love Hello Kitty. So inside is 5 cards, and I've got 2 of these packages, and one goes to Karen Bishop, and the other one goes to Tasha Valdez. Or Valdez. I'm not sure how you say it, Tasha. Anyways, I'm going to send these out to you. I didn't put your names on because I didn't want to put your addresses out there for the world to see. But I'm going to mail those out this week. And I'm going to do the same thing this time. So if you comment, every time you comment or you share this video, then that will get you in a drawing into for next week. So I'm going to try to do these lives every Saturday or Sunday, most likely Sunday. I tend to be home a little bit more on Sunday. I do family stuff during the day, visit my dad and everything, but I don't do workshops or work or anything on Sundays. So it might be like our crafty Sunday thing. And then I don't know if you've noticed, but I've also been posting more videos. So I shared a video earlier this week in our Cricut group on some fun ideas and tips for using your Cricut and getting more out of that. So let's see here. I got the video up. So I think I can see your comments now. And now I'm going to show you. So this, I'm super excited. I almost didn't order this because I love making cards and sometimes I like to add extra stuff to it. And I didn't know if the card subscription was going to work for me, but then I started seeing some of my fellow buddies getting it and I couldn't resist. So I got our new Craft with Heart, Close to My Heart card subscription, and I want to show you what is in here. I am super excited about it because it is so cool. So first of all, there's this nice little card that's from the owner of the company. It has a little message from the owner on the back about it, but you could use this. Somebody else mentioned framing it. I think I'm going to do that. Super cute. You get shaker window foam, which I've shown this before. I love the extra pieces of foam tape that you get in here after you use the window. And then, oh my goodness, the star confetti, super cute. And then envelopes for all your cards. And this new block, this is a block style that I've never seen it Close to My Heart. I love it, says Close to My Heart right on there. So it's a little block. I have a feeling they changed how they packaged things to fit it in here and to get more stuff in here for you. So there's the block and then the little mini stamp pad. These are fabulous, not only for this, but if you use one of those stamping platforms, having a little mini pad like this works really well. So you could always re-ink this with like our intense black re-inker and keep using this. So this is going to come in handy. And then check out the super cute stamp set. I'm going to be honest, like, I think I was in another world last year. Last year was a rough year around here, and I kind of was in survival mode, and I missed out on a few things, looking for something. And I didn't realize they were actually giving you a stamp set in here. Because I've done the scrapbook subscription, which I love, but there's no stamping in it. But I love that you get a stamp set in here with the card one. So there's some great sayings. Just say hello, to the best mother, happy anniversary, thanks so much, happy Valentine's Day, you are loved, I'm here for you always. And these other big ones, you can kind of read them. I read the smaller ones. The hearts say, thankful for a friend like you, and I am beyond grateful for you. So those are, I'm super excited about the stamp set. It was super cute. And then all the stamps fit on this block that's included. So even the long sentiments will fit on there. And then of course you get the directions. So there has directions for all of the cards, and there are 12 cards. I believe you get 2 of each one, if I'm remembering correctly. And then all the pieces and parts. So this is why I'm not sure how many, because all the pieces and parts are inside here. So I know on the picture on the website, it shows 2 of each card. So I'm assuming that it's 2 of each. So the subscription comes every 4 months. So you get, and so you think about it, you get 12 cards every 4 months. That's like 3 cards a month. And of course you can fill in with other cards. I love this stamp set so much that I'm pretty darn sure I'm going to be making some more cards with this to show you some things you can do with it after you complete this. But anyways, such a great deal. So when you do it just like one time by one 4-month subscription, you'll get, it's $49.95 plus tax and shipping, and you get all of this. And then if you do the year one, I think it ends up being $131.85, but you get free shipping, and you get 3 shipments every 4 months. You'll get it, and there's free shipping on there. So that it's a 20% discount, and it's free shipping. The singular 4-month one is 10% discount. So either way, you're getting a discount. If you become a consultant, you can add your 22% discount on top of that. So, and our commissions start at 22% and go up based on sales. So that is pretty awesome. Okay, are you ready for my fun tips this week? So this week I've been having fun playing with the cake. It's a slice of cake and it's on the Artiste cartridge. So if you own the Close to My Heart Artiste cartridge, it's on there. You can also access the image, through Access. If you have a subscription to Access on Cricut, you can get the image. And then you can also still purchase the entire digital collection through my link. I have a special Cricut link that is like my affiliate link. And you get like 700 images. And I apologize, I forgot to look up the price, but it was so inexpensive. It used to be $100, you got 3 stamp sets and cardstock, but now it's just the digital content, and I want to say it's $49, or is it? I don't know. I'll have to look it up. If somebody knows, you can post it. So anyways, I cut this cake box on that cartridge, and so now it's already scored and everything. So I'm just going to fold it and kind of tell you a couple things about what I did with it, because it is super cute. So just scoring or folding along the lines. Whenever you're doing a dimensional project like this, I definitely recommend using a bone folder, because it's those crisp lines, the crisp folds that you get, that really makes your projects come out better. So just taking a minute and using a bone folder to do all that will make it come out much better. So that's kind of how the bottom goes together, and the top is very similar. So I use my liquid glass. The reason I use liquid glass, because let's face it, there's lots of liquid glues out there on the market. And it's not coming right out, so I always keep a pin. Oh, no, my pin's glued. I always keep a pin on my bottle just to kind of reopen the top of the glue here. And I just keep it slid on there. So you put a little liquid glass on there. What I find different about liquid glass versus other liquid glues, I see we have a few more people, welcome, is that it sets up pretty quick. I find that if I use other glues, I really have to sit here and hold it a long time, but liquid glass kind of sets a little bit faster, and I don't have to spend so much time holding it or using my tweezers or a clothespin or something to hold it in place. I just kind of press it, kind of like I'm ironing it with my finger, and it's stuck pretty good everywhere, so I'm gonna set that aside. And now I'll do it on the bottom of the cake box here. Again, you're just putting the liquid glass on each of the little flaps here. And I'll do the same thing, kind of get it lined up. Press it really good. The pressing, it's important. Press it real good. Then move to the other side here. Lauren loves liquid glass. Yes, you know, it is truly my favorite glue. I've used it for years. And when we got the fine tip applicator, so here's the I put the fine tip applicator on it. I use this for tiny pieces. It made me kind of look at it again and use it more. And I even posted this in my group this week that it's one of my favorite products because I hardly use my tape runner anymore. It used to be like I'd go do something and I would go through so many tape runners. But this liquid glass lasts me a long time and can do, you know, like 90% of the projects that I'm working on. The trick is not to use too much. You don't want to use so much that you saturate it. So there's my cute box. Super cute, right? But wait, I have been obsessed with these. So here's one where I added little pearls along the edges here and a little saying, happy, happy, happy. Here's another one. I put for my friend. This time I put glitter tape on it. So I literally have a little basket of these, and I'm going to make a few more. I've got pieces and parts for them. So I've got them in here, and I'm going to take these to work because then I put inside here some fun little treasures. So this one has a Hershey's bar and a chapstick. I've been trying to think of other things that would fit in here, so I'm kind of keeping my eyes out for different things I can put inside. But you can put just a little candy. I think in a bunch of them I put paydays because it's for work. I hope I don't have too many fellow employees watching this. Payday bar. So now I can have them at work. If I find out it's somebody's birthday, then I can give them a piece of cake. How fun is that? And the trick for doing something like this is to get them done ahead of time. Like right now, I'm having a lot of fun and I'm kind of obsessed with finding different ways to decorate them. So I'll make a bunch of them and then they're done. Instead of finding out it's somebody's birthday and then trying to make them something when you've got a bunch of other stuff going on, you can kind of build up a little stash and have it ready to go. So those are my fun tips this week. If you're in my Cricut group, I showed you how to, I created a video earlier this week on how to get a double score on your Cricut, and that's not using your maker, it's using, you could use your maker, but using your Explorer, and so it gets the creases really good. So if you're in my group, make sure that you watch that video. If you're not in my Cricut group, you might want to send me a request and try to join it. I think it's called Stamp Till Dawn Cricut Class Resources. So just to reiterate that I'm doing a giveaway. So when you, I think what I'll do is I'll cut a few of these boxes. I'll send them flat and maybe some things to decorate them. So that'll be my giveaway this week. It'll be a few boxes that are cut. You'll have to assemble them and maybe some little stuff to decorate them with. And I will send that out. So in order to be in that drawing, you need to comment on the video. And then, or you can get a couple entries if you also share it. That helps me to keep my videos ranked in Facebook so that they show them to people. Because even if you like my page and you want to see my videos, Facebook doesn't always show it to you unless you interact with the content that I put out there. So that means commenting and sharing, and then they know that you value the content, so they show it to you more. So any questions? That was a quick one tonight. I think it's only been on for like 5 minutes. I'm sad to say, well, I'm happy and sad to say my Cricut class sold out already. So there's no more spots in my Cricut class. That one keeps me busy for about 8 weeks. We'll see how it goes. And then maybe I can look into some other things. Now that the Cricut software can be used offline, or you can download it to your laptop or your device, it kind of gives me a few little options that I'm playing with. I don't always have to have a place that has Wi-Fi. So I'm kind of researching some ways to do that for you. I tried teaching at a local store, but their markup was so high, I was having to really price the class a lot higher than what I think I should be charging for it. So I'm looking for some other options for you so I don't have to charge $30 for one tiny little class like other people do. So any questions? Okay, well, I'll just leave you with a last little view of my these two cute cake boxes. I hope you have a fabulous week, and I will be coming up with stuff to show you next week. See you soon.